The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their cart. That's right, it's a duck. Try another one. Very good. It's a pet. Way to go. It's a monkey. Yay, you got all the animals. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom, boogie. The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the end. That's right. A duck eats. Yes, panda. That's right. A monkey eats bananas. What a job you did. You fed all the animals. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house. Are sad. Correct. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Yes, it's a hare. That's right. Try another one. Well done. That's an elephant. Yay! You got all the animals. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom, boogie. The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animals. Well done. An elephant. Good girl. Well done. A hare eats carrots. What a job you did. You fed all the animals. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Right, that's the bear's house. Well done. That's the elephant's house. Yes, that's the trailer's house. Move the shape to its outline. Try another one. Try another one. Try another one. That's right. It's a rectangle. Very good. That's a circle. Yes, it's a triangle. You did it. All the shapes are in the trailers. Choose a toy and play. Choose a toy and play. With me, can we play today? What shape are the objects? Move the object to a similar shaped figure. Well done! A piece of cheese. Correct! The traffic. Way to go! An apple is like a circle. You guessed the shape of all the... Let's help Johnny put numbers in the trailers. Move the number to its outline. That's right. That's one. That's right. That's... Well done. That's 3. All the numbers are set. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, objects in groups. Move the object to match its number. That's right. That's 1. Right. That's 5. Very good. That's 3 Humpty Dumptys. You've named the number of all the items. Awesome job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Help Johnny solve the problem. Move the number to its outline. Well done. That's 3. That's right. That's 1. That's right. Letters in trailers. Move the letter to its outline. Good for you. That's the letter. Yes, that's the letter D. Good for you. That's the B. All the letters are set. Let's go. E is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. What is the name of the object? Move the object to the letter its name. Yes, D is good for you. Well done. F for a frog. All the objects are set correctly. Good job. E is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for turn the word into a cloud. Move the letter to its outline. Good for you. B for a bird. Well done. F for a frog. Yes, planting. E is a dog. Move the seeds to the pot. Good job. A tomato will grow here. Well done. A rose will grow here. That's right. A cornflower will grow here. Look, there are sprouts. Flowers are smiling happily. Mom will help me plant another and you need to water the sprouts to make them grow. Move the watering cans over the sprouts. Very good. You've watered the tomato. Well done. You've watered the rose. That's right. You've watered the cornflower. Wow! Look at the plants you've grown. Flowers are smiling happily. Mom will help me plant another and let's send the crops to the stores. Move the plant to its store. Well done. This is the rose store. Very good. This is the tomato store.